So hi everyone, this is so we'll try to understand again what is Mach number, one of the most important concept when we try to talk about aeroplanes which are actually trying to fly faster than the speed of sound. So as we can see here in the definition, Mach number is nothing but a ratio of a speed of the object divided by the speed of sound. So speed of the object, it could be a stone, it could be a rock, it could be an aeroplane or anything. So the ratio of the object with a speed of the object with which it is moving to the speed of a sound at that height. So let's say if the object is flying at a height of 10 kilometers from the surface of earth, let's say it's a missile. So a very big missile is moving from at a height of 10 kilometer. Then in order to calculate the Mach number of that particular missile, we are supposed to know what is the speed of sound at that height and also the velocity of a speed. Now so object speed of the object and to the speed of a sound, which is generally denoted by A, and we have seen a formula before this, and that formula says A is equals to under root gamma R into T. So if we know the temperature at that particular height, the point where the missile is moving, we can actually find the Mach number. So why Mach number is so special? Because yeah, we'll try to see some terms and then we'll come back to this why it is so special. So when a Mach number is actually 1, the formula for Mach number is actually v, speed of the object by the speed of the sound. If Mach number is equals to 1, that means the missile or the object is actually traveling at the speed of a sound. So this condition is actually called where Mach number is equals to 1. This is very bad, wrong. So this condition is actually called sonic condition, when the objects are moving at the speed of sound. And some interesting phenomena, some interesting thing happens when when the object tries to move at the speed of a sound. Now if the Mach number is actually greater than 1, super means actually greater than 1. If you take the ratio of v by a is greater than 1, we can say the object is actually trying to travel faster than the speed of a sound. So that means if the speed of a sound is, let's say, 360 meter per second at a given altitude, the object is actually traveling at a speed of 400 meter per second, which is faster than sound, which is more than natural, with more than what the nature promotes, the speed of a sound in a medium, especially air. So here the object is actually traveling faster than the speed of a sound. Again, coming back to this point, if velocity, if the Mach number is less than 1, then it is called subsonic. Sub means less than the speed of a sound. So here if the object is actually traveling less than the speed of a sound, that means the speed of a missile or a rocket is less than the permissible speed of sound at that particular altitude. Okay, so this is subsonic, which is less than the sound. This is sonic, which means the object is actually moving at, the rocket or the missile is actually traveling at the speed of a sound. And hypersonic, one of the most interesting thing here is if the object is let's say Mach number is, we know that Mach number is ratio of speed of the missile to the speed of sound at that altitude. Now what if the height keeps on changing continuously? The speed of sound will also keep on changing continuously, right? So if the object is actually traveling at this Mach number, which is 5.0, what does that imply? It implies that the speed of the rocket is 5 times faster than the speed of sound. This is called hypersonic, when the vehicle is actually, object is actually traveling 5 times faster the speed of a sound, which will be close to, so this will be 5, and let's say we keep it as around 300, if we, or maybe let's make it as 400. So it will be 5 4s are 20, it's like 2000 meter per second. The object is traveling 2000 meters, which is 2 kilometers in 1 second. Interesting.